tucked inside this gated community, a home that checks every box. Close to top-rated schools, freeway access, and some of Gilbert's best dining, this is the kind of location that makes daily life easier. 4 bedrooms, each with its own private bath, so everyone gets their own space. A detached casita that gives you options. The upstairs flex space for movie nights or game days. And the backyard, well, that's where Arizona living really happens. A home that was designed for real life. It's functional, it's private, and it just works.